I am at LDRS 41 at beautiful Bong State Park in Wisconsin. This is a fantastic area for a launch. It's mostly prairie and grassland in the launch area, and there are trees in the outlying areas, so you got to watch out for those. But we got plenty of airspace here to fly and bring your rocket in. We've had mild temperatures, light winds, and so it's just been fantastic time for everyone to launch. Saturday it did rain a little bit, but that cleared off, and then we got to the end launches, which I cannot wait to share those with you. They were amazing. They're just really large rockets, and some of them even left craters in the ground. But besides that, I also have interviews with the vendors. They've been fantastic. They've answered a lot of questions because I don't know everything. I'm just sharing things as I learn them with you. So they've been very supportive. And I just want to take a side note here for just a second and say, support your vendors. Be good to them. They're hardworking people, and they are the lifeblood of the industry. So if you have a problem with an order, give them a call, let them work it out. They're great. Also, I have interviews from people that are passionate about rocketry, like you and me. And I can't wait to share them with you. They're personal projects that they've worked on, or there's a family involved or something like that. So yeah, some really great stuff there. I've had a lot of fun covering that and meeting everybody here. They've all been fantastic. If you see yourself on the video or in a picture, stop by in the comments and say hi, and just let's stay friends. Okay, so I'm going to make this a multi-part video because there's so much stuff that I want to share with you, and I don't want to leave anything out. So hit that bell icon so you'll get notifications, and that way you'll stay updated on all the videos that I post on LDRS 41 here at Bong State Park in Wisconsin.